Um, I will say we lost the game in the first 10 minutes of play, conceding 3 goals in the first 10 minutes. It was so difficult to believe, but I can say is we make a lot of tactical mistake, more especially in our defense, and that causes the early goals, and it becomes difficult now. That will give the opponent the confidence to carry on with the game, because we have to come all out, and on the reverse, they always catch us on the counter. It was difficult, but it is football. It always happens.
Were you surprised by the way Burkina Faso played today?
Yes, actually, I'm surprised, more especially the opening minutes. We make a lot of mistakes at the back, and they capitalize on those mistakes to get their results as early as possible.
As the defending champions, you couldn't defend your title. What would be the message for Nigerians?
My message to Nigerians is football is like this. Sometimes now Spain are the world champions. If you look back, the last World Cup, they are not the champions. So it is not static, it's dynamic. It is not always your team. Sometimes it's another team. And Burkina Faso is a good team. They deserve to win the trophy.
They went throughout this tournament without conceding defeat. Would you say that's the reason why you describe them as the best team of the tournament?
No, actually, if you talk of consistency, they have shown consistency all through the tournament, because they have lost no game throughout the tournament, and in every game they scored a goal, at least a goal. That shows they are an offensive side, and I really salute them. They are a very good side.
In the second half, you played better. Your team looked very organized, very well at the back, and up front you created some chances and you even got a goal from those chances. What did you tell your boys during the break that gave them that different approach to the game in the second half?
No, actually, we couldn't get it right at the beginning, but that was the match plan. We have to use the width of the field to make sure we planted players wide of the field, so that, because Burkina Faso players, from the early minutes, from the first 2-3 minutes, they refuse to come out of their half. They are at the back waiting for us to come. If we make mistake, they take us for the counter. And without width, you cannot deal with situations like that, because it's just like they are so organized at the back, and the only way is to open up the width of the field and to be making runs that will distort their defensive organization. And that is what we did second half, and we got the rhythm, but we couldn't get the goals.
Finally, Coach, what's the future like for these crop of players that you have been able to put together?
Actually, you see, in a team like this, some will definitely progress, and some maybe this is their limit at the international level. But for sure, you can see one of my players is the highest goal scorer. You can't overlook such a talent, because going forward, he can play for under 23 and the senior national team.
Thank you very much.